making a blueberry cake, angel food cake. Just add water. And then we're going to stir this. Have my vintage cake pan now. This thing has been in my family for about at least 50 years. All right, we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees. There is the blueberry. We're going to let this cool and then we will cut it. Now this is very, very moist, which makes it really delicious. Okay, now my whipped cream. Oh, that looks good. This is the blueberry cake with the whipped cream melting in the lights.
And I have a lot of anticipation for blueberries, so.
You do?
Yep,
Uh-oh.
So we'll see what kind of flavor it has. Ooh, that one over there has the color, so. The anticipation paid off. It's delish.
Yay.